Lego runs its affiliate program through Rakuten Advertising, a trusted global network that handles tracking, reporting, and payouts. Once approved, you'll get access to official banners, product links, and promotional materials. You earn commissions on validated sales made through your referral links, excluding taxes, delivery, and returns. What makes it powerful? Lego.com is the only place to buy exclusive sets online, and every purchase earns points through the Lego Insiders programs. That boosts conversion rates, especially among collectors and parents. Affiliates also receive updates on new releases and seasonal promos, which help drive traffic. But here's the catch: you must be 18 plus to join. And success depends on your ability to drive targeted traffic. If you run a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media page focused on toys, education, or family activities, this program can work well. Just don't expect passive income. You'll need consistent content and smart placement.